Hello everyone. Subject for the day is English grammar and today we'll be starting a new chapter. आज हम एक new chapter start करेंगे. So I want you to take out your English grammar books and open page number 66. We'll be starting lesson 4, sounds of animals. Animals की आवाज़ें. Now first of all, let's write down today's date, 5/2/2021. Okay, this is the date. Now, let's hear some of the sounds that birds and animals make. Okay, जो sounds birds और animals बनाते हैं, हम वो sounds पहले कुछ सुनते हैं. All right? So, let's hear.
Dog,
bark,
dog,
bark,
horse,
Neigh,
horse,
neigh,
cat,
meow,
cat,
meow,
elephant,
trumpet,
elephant,
trumpet,
sheep,
bleat,
sheep,
bleat,
lion,
roar,
lion,
roar,
monkey,
gibber,
monkey,
gibber,
wolf,
howl,
wolf,
howl,
cow,
moo,
cow,
moo,
giraffe,
bleat,
giraffe,
bleat,
hen,
cackle,
hen,
cackle,
goat,
bleat,
goat,
bleat,
camel,
grunt,
camel,
grunt,
parrot,
talk,
parrot,
talk,
frog,
croak,
frog,
croak, snake, hiss, snake, hiss,
owl,
hoot,
owl,
hoot,
rat,
squeak,
rat,
squeak, grasshopper, chirp, grasshopper, chirp, bee, hum, bee, hum, bird, chirp, bird, chirp,
tiger,
growl,
tiger,
growl,
duck,
quack,
duck,
quack, peacock, scream, peacock, scream, pigeon, coos, pigeon, coos,
All right, now let's move on to exercise. Match these animals with the sounds they make. इन एनिमल्स को उनकी साउंड से मैच करिए. ओके, आपको एनिमल्स की पिक्चर्स दिख रही हैं और यहाँ उनकी साउंड्स लिखी हुई हैं. हमें एनिमल्स को उनकी करेक्ट साउंड से मैच करना है. ओके. नंबर 1 इज वुल्फ. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ साउंड अ वुल्फ मेक? एक वुल्फ कैसी आवाज निकालता है? Bleats? No. Screams? No. Coos? No. Barks? No. Hoots? No. Moos? No. Howls? Yes. A wolf howls. So we will match 1 with G. So we will match 1 with G. Number 2 is an owl. So what kind of a sound an owl makes? Bleats? No. Screams? No. Coos? No. Barks? No. Hoots? Yes. An owl hoots. So we will match 2 with E. Number 3, sheep. Now let's see. Sheep bleats? Yes. A sheep bleats. So we will match 3 with A. Number 4, peacock. What kind of a sound a peacock makes? Screams? Yes. A peacock screams. So we will match peacock with scream. Number 5, pigeon. Pigeon coos? Yes, a pigeon coos. So we will match pigeon with coos. Number 6, elephant. An elephant moos? No. Croaks? No. Grunts? No. Trumpets? Yes, an elephant trumpets. So we will match 6 with J. Number 7, dog. A dog barks? Yes, a dog barks. So we will match 7 with D. Number 8, cow. A cow moos. So we will match 8 with F. Number 9, a camel. A camel croaks? No. Grunts? Yes, a camel grunts. So we will match camel with grunts. A frog. A frog croaks. So we will match frog with croaks. Okay, thank you.